What's up, guys? Tim from Deep Stage Tuning, just trying to give you an update on what's going on this week in the shop. We've got a C5 in here that's absolutely pristine. It's a customer car that was his grandfather's, so there's some sentimental value involved with it. We're putting four-wheel disc brakes on it, a Willwood setup, full exhaust, give it a tune. It's got some other little electrical issues. Show me a C5 that doesn't. So hopefully we can get that sorted out for the customer and get it back to him as soon as possible. The shop car started today. That's awesome. We were a little worried about the motor when the torque tube let go, making sure that it hadn't eaten a thrust bearing or something like that. So hopefully it'll be get together and up to the track tomorrow, or not tomorrow night, I guess. Today's Wednesday. Back out at the track on Friday night, see if we can put some time down and try to get used to the new setup. Other than that, I've got a 2021 ZL1 1LE sitting on the dyno right now that we just wrapped up. It's got full exhaust on it, Kooks headers, upper pulley, although it's only a 2.3. It's not a huge increase over the factory. And then we put a Gwatney Stage 2 PD cam in it, and obviously all the supporting modifications for that, as well as E85. So we're going to have it on the dyno this afternoon, get some video for you and show you some numbers. Other than that, it's been a average week here. We've cars in, cars out. So give us a like, give us a follow, watch the rest of the video. Let me know what you guys think. What's up, guys? Tim at Deep Stage Tuning. Now we're at the end of our day, and I've spent half the day on the dyno with that ZL1 1LE. Such an awesome car. GM really did well with the factory setup. All we can do is stand to improve on it. We only added 2 pounds of boost, some long tube headers, E85 and a cam. Limiting the boost kind of limited how much power it would make. It made just short of 600 horsepower and just short of 600 pound-feet of torque. The graph will be added into it. Now, for the Z06 and the ZL1 owners, I can't express enough how important it is to increase the volume of your expansion tanks. The volume of the ZL1 isn't that much, and the Z06 is just a little bit more. The advantage the ZL1 has is it has the additional radiators that they use for the heat exchanger. Trying to increase that volume can only make it better. We fought a little bit of a heat soak issue today, and we had 2-3 fans on it at different times trying to do something to keep it down. During the pull, it would bring it down. Waiting to make that pull, it just wouldn't cool it off well enough. So if you're gonna make some modifications to the supercharger, add some boost, upper lower pulleys, whatever it might be, I strongly encourage it increasing that capacity. So at this point, we're happy with the numbers came out. I've already talked to the customer about it. She's ecstatic about the way it came out. So at this point, The next car we have is going to be a ProCharge C7 that we put rods, pistons in, and as well as a camshaft and some other modifications as well. When we're doing the video on that, we'll go through a little bit more detail. Now go ahead and hit this like and subscribe button over here, and you can follow it too.